Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a comfort food recipe. It's called Spam fried rice. It's something I've been making for over 30 years. I started making it when I first got married. My husband's a Pacific Islander and his family has always eaten a version of Spam fried rice. So it's something that we've incorporated into our family's list of foods that we love to eat. So let me show you what it looks like. It's got chunks of Spam, there's chunks of eggs, green onion, white onion that you caramelize. Just a lot of flavor in here. And this is one of those dishes that you wait the second day and even the third day and it tastes even better. More flavors are in the food. One thing I did do was I cooked the rice in the Instapot. And if you click on my card up above, you'll see the way that I cook rice in the Instapot. So you can go ahead and do that. Watch that after you finish this video. And let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Let's go over the list of ingredients. First, you're going to need 5 cups of cooked white rice. I use calrose rice. 2 cans of Spam. We use the 25% less sodium. About 7 eggs you're going to use for scrambling. You could put in more if you like. 1 large onion or 2 medium onions. About up to 4 tablespoons of butter and some soy sauce. You can either use soy sauce or gluten-free soy sauce. Also a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And about 2 green scallions chopped for the finishing touch. Let's start preparing our ingredients. First, we're gonna peel and dice 1 large yellow or brown onion. I'm going to squeeze the can and shake out the Spam. That's the easiest way I found to get the Spam out of the can. I'm going to cut thin slices. As you can see, my puppy Jax wants to get in on the Spam, but he's not having any. So I'm cutting him into thin slices. And then I'm going to put them into stacks so then I could make small diced pieces. Try to make them as uniform as possible. Now let's prepare the scrambled eggs. First, we're going to crack all of the eggs we're going to use into a bowl. Now this is a personal preference. I like to add 2 tablespoons of whole milk into my eggs. It seems to make a lighter and fluffier egg, but you do not have to do this. This is just a personal preference. Now I'm adding some Himalayan salt and some cracked black pepper to taste. Then I'm going to give it a good whisk for blending. I'm going to use a flat wok. You can use a 5-quart pan if you'd like to, but I like to use my wok. So I put in a tablespoon or two of butter, and I'm gonna cook my scrambled eggs on medium. I like to cook them in the pan separate from the rice. Some people cook it on their rice. Now I'm gonna put in my diced onions and Spam, and I'm gonna cook this till they're caramelized and golden brown. This could take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to dump in our 5 cups of rice, and I'm using 2 paddles to go ahead and incorporate the rice into the Spam and onion mixture. Slowly adding in some soy sauce or soy sauce gluten-free alternative. Keep doing that till I get the right color. You want your rice to be a little bit brown. Add in my scrambled eggs, evenly mix it with the 2 paddles. Then it's time to add in the green onion. Add a little bit at a time, add some more till it's the right color of green onions, and there you have it. Spam fried rice. I call it chamorro fried rice, but it's also made in Hawaii, so look at that beautiful product. You can see the Spam is crispy and gorgeous. So please go ahead and try this recipe, and I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe this recipe and give it a thumbs up. Put a comment down below, and if you have any ideas for me, please put it down below. I'd love to see what you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.